Welcome, my dear students. Welcome back. The last lesson by Alphonse Daudet. We have done multiple choice questions, question number 1 to 10, and today I will begin with question number 11. If you remember the last lesson, as the name says that it is last lesson, but you know it is your first lesson. So many things are very important, and before I start this MCQ session, let me share with you something about this chapter. The last lesson is actually set in the days of the Franco-Prussian War between 1870 to 1871. And in this war, Prussia defeated France, and the French districts of Alsace and Lorraine passed into the hands of Prussians. The two protagonists of the story, one is Mr. M. Hamel and other is French. They belong to Alsace. M. Hamel is a French language teacher at a school, and French is one of his students. The story revolves around how the war proves to be a life-altering event for both. So this chapter tells us how war affects our life. War is not good for anyone, and when a country is defeated, what are the consequences the people face there? One of it is discussed in this chapter. French is a very sensitive and honest schoolboy. He is honest because he accepts his fault of ignoring his lessons. M. Hamel is again, I will say, a sincere teacher, but he is strict too. He teaches French and very passionately and in a very patriotic way he teaches it. He breaks down at the end of his last lesson. He cries. Okay, so I think this is enough to begin the chapter. Question number 11, MCQ. Be ready with your pen, pencil, and in your CW notebook you have to note down the question as well as the options. Question number 11. What did French find on reaching the school? A. People were dancing. B. Strange people. C. Police patrolling. And D. Strange quietness. Question number 12. Who occupied the back benches in the class? A. Weak students. B. Teachers. C. Monitors of the class. D. Village elders. Question number 13. Why was Franz surprised? A. Because of village elders. B. Because of police patrolling. C. Because of students' behavior. And D. Because of M. Hamel's kind and polite behavior. Question number 14. Why was Franz feeling regretful and sad? A. For reaching school late. B. For not learning participles. C. For change of the government. D. For not learning his mother tongue. Question number 15. Whom did M. Hamel blame for not sending students to school? A. Parents. B. Friends. C. Teachers. And D. Watchman. Question number 16. What did Hauser bring? A. Sweets. B. Children. C. Friends. D. Old primer. So you have to select the right answer. Question number 17. What made France forget M. Hamel's ruler and crankiness? Options are A. Police patrolling. B. Strange quietness. C. Bustle on the streets. D. The idea of his going away. Question number 18. For how many years did M. Hamel serve the school? Options are A. 20 years. B. 35 years. C. 30 years. And D. 40 years. And now question number 19. Where did the parents send their children? Options are A. School. B. Coaching. C. Farms and mills. And D. Movies. Where did the parents send their children? To school, or for any coaching or tuitions, or to their farms and mills, or to watch movies they send their children. You have to find out the correct answer. Question number 20. Why were the parents sending their children to the farms and mills? Question number 20, and options are A. To play. B. To meet their friends. C. To meet their relatives. And D. To earn money. So out of these four, you have to select the most appropriate one. And I will not tell you the answer right now. Up to now we have done 20 MCQ, and you must have ticked the answers. When I will complete total 40 questions from the same chapter, then I will tell you the right answers. Okay, so I hope you are reading regularly and don't take this activity taken for granted. Okay, thank you.